Hello everyone, my name is Suklain Mulla and today is 3rd of January and I'm here to talk about the array list in Java. So in our Java programming language, the array list is the most basic type of collection. Actually, array list internally uses an array to add element in the array list. So array is a part of a collection framework and it is a predefined architecture that enables us for various operations that are performed in our programming. Array can be of uh, array list can be of used for operations such as sorting, retrieving data, sorting manipulation elements, behaving like a single unit. So this is a framework, and array list is a part of collection framework. So actually, array list is a class which uses the dynamic array to store elements. So it's like an array only, but there is no size limit. As well as we can add or remove elements anytime. That means uh, it is much more flexible than the traditional array. Difference between our array and array list is about the size. So this is the main difference, as the array and array list is as the our array is static. That means the array has a fixed size. So once we declare an array, we cannot change it, and or we cannot remove or add an element. While comparing it with the array list, actually array list has a dynamic size. That means we can change the size of an array list, or we can add elements, and also we can remove elements if we want. um, the we can say the difference between the array and the array list is the primitive. So actually, array can contain the primitive data type such as int, float, boolean, char, etc. So they can contain objects as well. But in the array list, we cannot store the primitive data type, as well as it can only store the objects. Here, the concept of converting the primitive data type into the objects is about the autoboxing. So, with the help of autoboxing, we can convert these primitive objects with the help of the autoboxing, and JVM makes sure that objects are added into the array list. Uh, Talking about the one more difference is the multi-dimensional. So, array can be multi-dimensional, but array list cannot be multi-dimensional. It is the single dimensional only. And actually, array is a part of the core Java programming, while the array list is a part of the collection framework, which includes array, linked list, hash, uh, and vector. Uh, and talking about the features of array list is that in array list, elements are arranged in order or a manner by default, as they are added into the list in the program. So actually when we are performing the array list, when we call the add method, so it will be added in that manner only. And similar to our array, the array list is also index based. So that means the array's index position starts with 0, and array list index position also starts with 0. Uh, and Actually, array list can grow or dynamically, and means we can add more elements into the list than the current size, and it is non-synchronized. Uh, yeah, such used in the multi-threading and not synchronized. Here the programmer is responsible so that we can synchronize the keyword, or simply we can use the vector class. So we can add the duplicate elements in array list, but we cannot add the duplicate into the sets. So the methods used in the our array lists are add method, contain method, get, size method, set method, index method, um, uh, to string method, to array method. So that's all about the array list in Java. Thank you.